Good morning. So it's Saturday, July 6, 2019. I've been working on this strut all of the 4th of July, and on Friday, July 5, I hit this thing in the evening and it's finally in. So what saved the day? Well, I had to get three bolts on top of this tower tightened up, and I was kind of thinking, how am I going to do that? It turns out that I was able to reach all of those three nuts with this little wrench here. This is one of those fancy ratchet wrenches. It's 13 millimeter. I was able to go up through here, and I could reach every single nut here. The one in the front, there's one here, there's two in the rear, and I could only crank about that far, but within about 10 minutes I had always tightened. Whereas these took me probably all day on the 4th of July to get like two of them off. And it took me all last night to get the remaining nut off that was on this far side. And this wrench was essential for getting it off, but it was so rusted that I couldn't really do much. Anyway, this thing was painful, and these bolts here that hold on this arm were so hard to get off. It was crazy. I almost thought about trying to chisel them or grind them, but I finally got them off, and I got them back on by using again a socket wrench here, a 21 millimeter wrench here, 21 millimeter impact socket here, and I actually had to use an extension pipe to get some leverage down here, and I actually used that stump down there and was pushing the ratchet with a stump by using both my legs to hammer on it. That's how bad these things were rusted in there. So that's it. I think I'm ready. I want to check this bolt down here and make sure it's tight. This bolt, I want to make sure it's not too tight. I impact wrenched it in there. I want to put this little locking nut down on here, and that's it. This thing's done. What remains is put in the wheel well, because I had to take the wheel well out, and put the spare tire back in. The spare tire is a pain. You gotta take the bumper apart there, and the spare tire goes in with a little clip. It's ingenious how it works, but it was so rusted that it was hard to get it out. So the spare tire, you put this little piece down first, then the spare tire, and this is used to hold the spare tire in. You just twist it, turn it 90 degrees. That's it. So after 3 days of work, I'm finally ready to put this back end back together. So the Ford place I took the car to get inspected disqualified me because of the crack in the old spring here. I didn't even think I would get this thing in here. It was such a hard job. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and have a great day.